Okay, we'll continue on here. Just searching for the 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month momentum stocks. So that's in our list here for follow-up and breakout anticipation. This one was a breakout, but it failed here. This one is building, Aloe is building higher lows or trying to regain its territory and building a flank. So we'll follow up for that. This one's a nice breakout from the bottom here. There's no, kind of like a setup here. This is a setup level. It's a different scenario, but this could be here's a setup here. Making higher lows, breakout. So this is a momentum here. And that could be a setup that's, I think that's a 2-star setup. Yeah. It's really hard to see. This makes a leap of 2 million in stocks. Bow. Looks like biotech is making huge moves. Most of the stocks are making big moves, pulling from the bottom. CBO, that was an entry here. It just didn't make it. That's a nice entry. Bounce, biotech building up here. So the stock is building up. A lot of biotech names are building up. Building up a flag. It already made a big move. It's consolidating and making a range, building a range. See how it's building a range? Looks like it's waiting for the 20 days to catch up. Done. Same thing. Biotech. Education is Chinese educational software company. Futu is bouncing off the 10-day moving average. This one's already bounced off a flag. It's a new stock IPO, so we'll watch for that for sure. Go to another educational Chinese stock. Fusa didn't break out, went a breakdown here, breakdown. Biotech companies, so it went from $15 to $5, mean reversion. Lee looking for a pullback. It looks like it's pretty strong, going and being within the range of the 8-day moving average here. Mass, biotech names. All the moves are in biotech companies. This here broke the mark, but looks like it's weak bounce. Breakdown, Neo breakdown. Lee is trying to break down. It's broke down already on higher highs. Yum broke down. This one, right like that. X-Bang broke down. CBO education. This one is building strength. It hasn't been broken down yet. It has breakdown a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, and then we bounce up back up. So there's a level of resistance here. Setting up, Sega's setting up, so Sega setting up, building sufficient, building a flag, DQ, and we'll go with the 6 months moving average. Billy kind of failed. Okay, nothing here. Bearish, what's going down? 221, 27 stocks went down here. Looks like it's showing stocks that's moving up here, so let's fix that. Combo, bearish, no filter. Okay, 212 stocks. Let's go through it. Breakdown, utilities, semiconductor broke down, engineer, life insurance, diversified gambling, discounts, desperate break. Excuse me. Like the bank is broke down. This weird name is breaking down. I'm breaking down from the cop. This is called a bear flag, choppy zone, or chop zone. Most of the stocks are being chopped up or making the range, but not making any moves here. Utilities made some move. Utilities made moves. So most of these breakouts failed. They're backing down again. There's no setup for this at all. Just IBM in a choppy range. It's very chopped up here. In here. Oh no, no. All these stocks has broken down. Car especially. Car went pretty much to 100. Commodity names are not performing. Steels are down. Semiconductors are down. Oil soon to be down here. So where are the money at here? It's just money's there at biotech. It's been in there for a while. It's been I think a week now for biotech. It's moving, making big moves and moving upwards from the bottom. See, names only a little bounce for this one 2 days ago, and now it's bottom. It's coming down and touching or surpassing downwards through the moving average, the 100 moving average here. See, all moving average pointing down. Went down to 200 moving average. Or probably going to go down to 200 moving average here. Down. So oil's down. Oil stocks looks pretty bad. This was really choppy. The oil's name spells out a 200 moving average, but bounced down on the 100 moving average. Same thing with Fang, DOS, department store. Tila, Tesla. The snook spinning, making a range here. It's not moving anywhere. Tightening though, building a tight range. Fairly tight, but not a big move here. Same thing with this guy, Everything's bearish. Bearish. Nothing I see here. Bearish. 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 Even Costco, it's made a big move up. Now building a range here. Let's just draw that there. Trend line. This is a trend line. Once it breaks through the trend line, then we'll have a party. RJ. Nothing. I don't see anything in terms of improvement to the market. All stocks are down fairly low, except for biotech companies. Gas has been moving down. Moved up a couple of days ago, but that was very short, and now it's continuing to move downwards. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Right, it's got nothing here, no downloads, no nothing. But then I teach so many people they don't even need to use that anyways, right? Okay. Okay, so nothing here, nothing. Chemical, some chemical breakdown. Everything is breaking down in the market. Nothing is a hold for now. So in this market, just reduce your size um, sell quick, make a short stop, make close stops, risk less, and hit and run situations. But it's not a hold because holds are failing. Market moving up 2 days in a row or so for most stocks, and then plummeting 2 days in after. So it's not in the market for swing trade, long trading, position trading is a different story. But swing trading in general, you need to find a good setup and a good market on a good setup, and size up to increase your account. But right now, nothing has been increased. There's a failed breakout for most of them, and it looks like market is just tanking or going towards a recession. Okay, let's look at 1 million. Whatever costs the 1 million will make a stronger move. Here you go. Just gonna zoom my box. Okay, that one there. AMC, Air Canada, Air. Labu making a bounce here off the 21-day moving average. Sega already. Baba looks really strong, along with Xpeng. Arc. Nothing. 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 Looks like I haven't missed much in terms of buying stocks. Even though the stock opens doesn't mean you have to trade. It has to wait for the right setup, the right moment, and the time to trigger is when a good market rallies for a couple of days. That's when you actually make the profit. When it rallies from bottom, then you make even a higher profit depending on your risk tolerance and the ability to hold with the volatility as the stock moves up. Everything breaking down. This GIS is making a huge move, 10 million. Bearish market. Nvidia down, down, everything's down. Amazon trade-off down. It's actually a sell-off day for some of it. Just biotech companies are making huge moves. Otherwise, some of the stocks are weak and the index are not that great in terms of a bullish mindset. Everything's pointing the bear. There's no preparation in terms of buying a breakout here. This is a good one. This is an A-class breakout here. Okay. Went down, built lower highs, higher lows, and voila. This is a, was it short? PSW, PSW. Okay, let's put that there. Index PSW, PSW, PSW. Okay, so yeah, I haven't finished this yet. So let's finish it quick. And yeah, oil breaking down, breaking down. Steel, steel making a bounce here. making a bounce. The hell is all right? Couldn't find anything here. Just showing me the stocks that's moving down dramatically and trying to recover. Just like this GIS here. Otherwise, I've just skimmed across a couple of stocks and I don't see any setups here. Sure, I'm just gonna go through real quick. We'll see if it works. Bad drop. Nothing at the 9 million that's concerning to me. Just regular sell-off, regular policies here. Nothing else. Anticipation. It's called anticipation because we're anticipating that the stock would move up the next day. QFIN. Looks like a Chinese name moving the same way as the Chinese name here. We'll see for tomorrow. Maybe move up a little bit. FN. Nothing. Stagna, nothing. Nothing. Baba trying to make a jump. Okay. So there it is. Nothing. FN setting up. FN. Copy. Breakout. This one, there's couldn't find anything here. Breakout. Nothing here. Baba. It's ready. Set up a base for that. Okay. This one looks strong. Nothing else here. Square. No. PGD. No. Pa. No. Neo. Neo is making a move. Neo's also making another move. Chinese account. Chinese stock and semiconductors are the two main sectors that would help you grow your account. Otherwise, other policies been chopped to pieces right now, up and down market. It's hard to trade along because you got to be selective and that hoping that when you wake up, most of the work that's been done is just for you to buy the stock themselves. JDD here. JD, same thing. JD is making. Let's redraw this. Right, so it's within range right now for JD. So I'll watch this as well. JD is part of a Chinese market stock. So hopefully it will work because Chinese is strong right now. People are putting the money for that. So right. Nothing else here. Nothing is under anticipation. They're not making it or make it right. This big choppy. Biden moving down a little bit. Neo, Spain, Baba, Neo, Billy. Okay. That's it. No more. All right, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.